Great Keppel Island aboard Avalanche. We unfurled the jib, along with raising the main. We headed out of the marina. We stayed in the marina for 2 nights. To refuel, water the boat, fill the tanks up. They're going pretty fast. Stick around to watch how fast we go. Wow. 11.1. Is that fastest? There's Dad. There's me. Found it a little bit hard to wind the winch. Wouldn't wind very easily. There's Mum. There's the underneath of the Avalanche. There's Connor.
Are you going through the head of the breeze? Drive on yeah.
Hello, Dad. Dad's being a bit cheeky. Hello, Dad. Very good driver. Going up to Great Keppels now. Great Keppel Island.
The jib now.
Yeah.
That means we're going to curl up this front sail around and around until it's all gone. All done. The triangle, they make sure that the main goes in the middle.
These are called laser jacks.
Kalen has a button and we're nice and secure.
Avalanche
We'll
has
put
50 meters. I think of
sour
chain
lolly.
on board.
I'm just gonna have one lick. Watch my face.
I'm so sour. There's Connor. This is me up to the front. I'm gonna bash into it on the way. There's a little bit of waves on the starboard side. But we were on starboard tack, so not too much. Wait till you see the port tack. Look at this. Ready? Wait for a big wave. So much waves. It's so fun. sail. Had like a little bath swim sort of thing at the front. And the waves were just coming over the bow. Yeah, it was good fun. I'm kind of doing some jumping at the front, see if we can get bounced high on the wave. Had to quickly get over there to thank Linton. And some little dance. There's Mum and Connor all snuggled up. Connor was a bit cold. Dad did the washing up after spaghetti. Once the sunset, we're coming for the cover. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.